Illegal car accessories you don't know about. Car accessories are meant to make driving fun, stylish, or more comfortable. But what if I told you that some of the most popular upgrades can actually get you fined, have your car impounded, or even land you in court? From dark window tints to devices that block police radar, many drivers don't realize they're breaking the law every time they hit the road. Today, I'll break down 15 illegal car accessories you should never risk installing. We'll cover the fines, the safety risks, and the surprising ways police catch people using them. And trust me, number 1 could cost you thousands of dollars without you even realizing it. Accessory 15. Dark window tints. Window tinting is one of the most common car mods because it looks sleek and adds privacy. But here's the reality. Every state has different rules for how much light must pass through your windows. Example, California allows 70% light transmission on front side windows, while Nevada allows as low as 35%. Police use digital tint meters to measure your windows during a traffic stop. Many drivers cross state lines without realizing their legal tint instantly becomes illegal. Hidden risk. At night, ultra-dark tint reduces your visibility, making it harder to spot pedestrians, cyclists, or road hazards. Some aftermarket smart tints claim to change opacity depending on light angle, but modern enforcement tools catch these tricks. Takeaway: tint is not illegal everywhere, but the wrong tint in the wrong place can cost you. Always check local laws before applying. Accessory 14. Aftermarket mufflers. Most people think the only issue is too loud. Truth, even a muffler that isn't loud can be illegal if it bypasses emissions controls or isn't certified. States like California and Washington use decibel meters, while others leave it to the officer's judgment. Surprising detail, some mufflers are legal when first installed, but if a mechanic reinstalls them incorrectly during service, they can suddenly become illegal. Shops rarely warn customers about CARB, California Air Resources Board, compliance. Consequences: you could get a violation notice months later, even after a routine check. Accessory 13. License plate frames and covers. Dealerships love to give free frames with their branding, but if it covers any part of your plate, it's technically illegal. Anti-theft covers, reflective sprays, or tinted plate protectors are often marketed as legal, but most block visibility from certain angles. Automated license plate readers, LPRs, now detect these obstructions. Some systems automatically generate citations. Pro tip: stick with slim, clear frames only. Anything thicker, a potential ticket. Accessory 12. Engine mods and ECU tuning. Modern cars are built to meet strict emission standards. Tuning your ECU, engine control unit, to unlock hidden horsepower often involves disabling emissions equipment, a direct violation of federal law. Cold air intakes, modified exhaust headers, and tampering with sensors can all trigger fines. The EPA now works with manufacturers to track illegal tunes. Some vehicles even come with tamper-evident seals that snitch when opened. Little known fact, even parts that are CARB approved can become illegal if installed on the wrong model year or car trim. Enforcement is increasing. Some owners have received violation notices in the mail without ever being pulled over. Accessory 1211. Nitrous oxide systems. NOS, a fan favorite in movies, but a legal nightmare on the street. Owning an OS system is not illegal, but the moment it's connected and functional, it's banned in all 50 states. Police are trained to look for bottles, hoses, solenoids, and switches. Insurance companies may void coverage if nitrous is discovered after an accident. Extra shock, some states even treat possession of nitrous bottles like possession of controlled substances. They can seize the bottles as evidence. Accessory 10. Aftermarket lighting mods. Rontro LED light bars, colored headlights, or retrofitted HID bulbs may seem like upgrades, but when beams are misaligned or too bright, they blind oncoming drivers. Some states specifically ban colored LED bulbs in headlights, especially blue, green, or red. New enforcement tools. Officers now use handheld devices to detect the exact color temperature of your lights. Even if lights are off-road only, their mounting position can still make your car illegal on public roads. Accessory 9. Blue headlights. Rontro wens politik. Accessory 10 and Rheinbed. Ride krodo wenfleu. Lugri style. But in most states, blue tinted headlights are outright banned. Scientific reason. Blue light has a shorter wavelength, which scatters more in fog, rain, and snow. This reduces visibility and creates glare. Fines often include the cost of replacement bulbs plus the ticket. Safer choice. Stick to white or amber headlights that meet DOT standards. Accessory winner that. Oversized spoilers. Popular in tuner culture, but not always legal. Oversized or homemade spoilers can extend beyond vehicle dimensions, obstruct rear visibility, or become dangerous projectiles if they detach at high speeds. Insurance adjusters inspect aftermarket aerodynamic parts during claims. If your spoiler contributes to an accident, the claim can be denied. Modern trend DIY 3D printed spoilers are cheap, but they often shatter on highways, turning into road hazards. Accessory winner that. Studded tires. Fantastic for icy roads, destructive on asphalt. Seasonal rules vary. Raleigh, California, allowed Nov 1 April 30, in mountain areas. Hawaii and Louisiana, banned year-round. Fines range from $200 to $500 per tire if used illegally. New tech, some states use acoustic road monitoring to detect studded tires outside of permitted months. Accessory 6. Neon and underglow lighting. Roller Kalmvex, roller glow lighting. In Asians, Turalskern Dov to Wax, roller Kanjits, in Froshalved, Kamon Talad, roller Tangi, Ralpafoltenet, and Warnerd Og bound some states, roller Gakrov Madvilt, roller Gakar people I blocks. Wentero Khan for the firing, Kaldiskancham Teroshes Sukulmos for. Red and blue are banned everywhere because they mimic police vehicles. Modern RGB kits controlled by smartphone apps create new risks. Changing colors while driving can count as distracted driving. Safe practice. Save the neon for car meets, not public roads. Rollergok. Accessory 5. Laser jammers. Raltsarojasimikov. Roller detectors. Usually legal. Laser jammers, illegal in many states because they actively interfere with police equipment. They work by sending signals back to police LiDAR, giving false readings. Penalties, often harsher than speeding tickets, sometimes even obstruction of justice charges. Accessory 4. GPS jammers. 100% illegal in the U.S. under federal law. Fines up to $16,000 per use, with cases of $32,000 fines reported. One trucker's GPS jammer interfered with air traffic control at Newark Airport. They can also block your own phone's emergency calls and interfere with fleet management systems. The FCC has special teams that detect and triangulate jammer signals. Accessory 3. Police impersonation kits. Emergency strobes, sirens, or decals that make your car look like a cop vehicle, felony territory. Even stickers or fake uniforms can lead to charges. Police take impersonation seriously because it undermines public trust and enables crimes. Penalties, thousands in fines, criminal charges, and even jail time. These James Bond-style gadgets flip or hide your license plate at the press of a button, considered a tool for fraud and DMV evasion. Just owning one can put you on a watch list. Penalties, up to $10,000 fines and multiple years in prison. Accessory 1. Rolling coal mods. Rolling coal mods. Diesel modifications that deliberately spew black smoke. Illegal under clean air laws and heavily fined by the EPA. Beyond environmental damage, rolling coal has caused real accidents, including a 2021 case where a 16-year-old injured cyclist by blasting smoke. Fines can bankrupt offenders, with companies fined millions for installing these mods. Authorities now run undercover operations at truck shows to catch violators. Final thought. So there you have it, 15 car accessories that can take you from car enthusiast to lawbreaker without you even realizing it. Which one surprised you the most? Drop your answer in the comments below. I'll be highlighting some of the best replies in the next video. And if you thought these accessories were shocking, wait until you see the tricks mechanics use to scam car owners. Click here to watch that video next. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss our next deep dive.